Here's how to activate ActivForce Advanced, set up your first workflow, and manage your plan. From the ActivForce dashboard, open the menu in the top right and select Manage Plan. You'll see your current plan and what Advanced includes, test sequences, assessment library, and test history. Select Activate Advanced to get started. Enter your payment details on the next screen. You can select your preferred currency. Advanced is $20 per month, and you can cancel anytime. Once confirmed, Advanced is active on your account immediately. Test history is already running, so every session from here is on record. Your account now includes test sequences for structured, repeatable test flows, the assessment library for in-app protocol references, and test history for recording every session. To manage or cancel, visit the Manage Plan page and follow the prompts. Any changes take effect at the end of your current billing period. Same precision, stronger workflow, ActivForce Advanced.